Hi ho, it's on the trail we go. Let's see where this takes us. This is kind of fun. Sometimes you need to get lost to find out where you're going. Hi, I'm Nunice.
I'm Amelia.
Today is Sunday, August 13th at 3:30 in the afternoon. We got a late start, but it's really cool. We've had an awesome morning. We started the day off with church and then went for a too big of a breakfast, which was so yummy. But we decided to hike and show you guys a new trail today. Well, it's new to Amelia, it may be new to some of you. It's called Bender Mountain Nature Preserve. It is in Delhi Township, which is part of Cincinnati, Ohio. And it's really cool. I don't know which trails we're doing here, but we'll just go and let you know as we figure it out. This trail starts off on a creek, so it starts off pretty neat. Here we go. Down to the creek we go. Creek's pretty dry. Oh, no, it's not. Well, yeah, it is, but there is some water. And we're going right over there. And I'm going to turn this off because I'm afraid I'm making you dizzy. We just crossed the creek. And we're heading into the woods. I remember this from before. Oh, little trail there. My knees were replaced. I don't know what I was going to say. Had a brain fart. One thing I can say about this trail is it's very well kept. And I do 100% remember that from last time. Haven't seen anyone on the trail yet, but the parking lot's full. So I know there's people on the trail, and I heard lots of people on the creek. Well, that's kind of a lie. Saw like 5 people come up out of the creek. Don't know if they were hiking or just playing. Here we come to a fork in the road. Bender Valley Trail straight ahead. And then we have Paw Paw Trail going up. The one time I did this, I remember going up and we went past the Paw Paw Trail, but there's a cemetery I really want to go to. Okay, Amelia. Part of me thinks we need to go up the hill, which eventually we do, but I know the cemetery is straight ahead or that way. You want to try going left first and then we'll see where it takes us? Sure. Then we'll come back and go up if we need to. Let's go, guys. Hi ho, it's on the trail we go. Let's see where this takes us. This is kind of fun. Sometimes you need to get lost to find out where you're going. There's been lots of forks in the road, but we decided to stay on this one, which is now taking us up, and hopefully we'll go to where I wanted to go. We shall see. I know I want to do the Paw Paw Trail, but I want you folks to see on a ridge a view, and I think that's after the Paw Paw Trail. So we may have to do the ridge and then turn around and go back. As long as we're going up, I think we're fine. It looks like the leaves are turning. Here's another fork in the trail. We could go left, but we've been following the Bender Valley Trail. So I'm thinking that is going to take us up to that ridge up there. I'm not sure where left goes. So I'm thinking, let's go right. Go up to the top and then turn left to find the cemetery. You down with that, Amelia?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. We made it to the top, finally. So we're here, and the ridge trail is to the right, but we're going to the left because I want to show you guys and Amelia the cemetery. If I remember correctly, it was very old, and I think it's to the left. And then we'll turn around and go this way, but this is all relatively flat. We should be good. So, show you where we are, and where we were, and where we're going. We just came up a hill forever, and if we go that way, the ridge trail. But like I said, we're going to go this way and see where this goes. This is a different time of the year. I think when I did this before, there were not as many leaves, so it looks different, but I'm remembering everything the same, so we should be good. It's not that hard to find our way back. My concern is that my left knee was hurting very badly last week when we did a short, not even 5-mile hike at Sharon Woods, and it was relatively flat, and I almost didn't make it back to the car. It's okay now, but we're going up, and going up is good for me. The side of it is what's hurting the most. The other day, Sunday, after my hike, the whole entire knee hurt. But what's giving me the most problem is on the left side, the outside of my left knee. And twice on this trail, I lost my balance, wanting to fall to the left side. And one time it was on a little cliff. I don't think I would have gotten hurt. It wasn't that steep, but it was enough that it's uncomfortable. I was thinking it was the trail runners I bought because I wanted to see if I like trail runners better or my hiking shoes. And I was just going to use my trail runners as hiking shoes, but that's not it. There's something more going on. I'm thinking maybe it's just a pulled muscle. Everybody keeps saying I'm pushing myself too hard. And here's my new, see my new knee war wounds, but there's my new shoes. My daughter inadvertently got them for me. She gave me some Bass Pro Shop gift cards, and I got these, and I like these better than the trail runners. I'm loving them. And here's the cemetery I told you about. It's very old. Of course, I say that, and I see a relatively new grave. Well, no, she died in 1932. This gentleman died in 1848 at 92 years. Another person, oh, I can't look at that one. She was too young, but she died in 1832. Now, I was having problems with my phone, which is fully charged, but I need to clean it up. I keep cleaning it up, but need to figure out how to do these videos on my phone because it turned off because of storage. So I'm not going to video as much right now because, oh, going down's killing me. Not going to video as much because of the storage issues, which I need to deal with tonight. So when we get to the ridge, I'll let you know and show you some awesome views. Hey guys, today I did something I've never done in my life. I stopped early on the trail. I'm remembering last week when my knee was hurting so badly, I didn't think I could make it to the car, and it's starting there now. Going up wasn't a big deal, walking straight is, and going down, it's almost unbearable. So with that said, we're calling it quits. still haven't done the Paw Paw Trail. It's okay. We're going to do it. I'm going to post this video still so you can see what we've done. And then we'll post it after I've gone to the doctor and figure out what's wrong. Is it a sprain? Do I just need to stay off of it for a little while? Maybe baby it for a week or so? More than what I'm doing? I don't know. Hopefully with it being on the side, I'm almost afraid it's a torn meniscus. Don't know if that's a possibility with having a total knee replacement, but we'll find out. And now my right knee is starting to hurt because I've been favoring that because the left one's hurting so badly. So this is all good. That's what this time is about, because the goal for at least me is to through hike the Appalachian Trail. And I'd like to also do the Triple Crown, the PC Pacific Crest Trail and Continental Divide, but in other order. And hike the Oregon Trail. So if I'm going to do these, I've got to figure out what my body needs, what it can take, and how to overcome these obstacles. So that's what this channel's about. Oh, I think, what did I say I have? I think it's 165.65 trail miles to date. Does that sound right, Amelia? Okay, what I said earlier, I don't remember. I don't think I told you guys. I'm trying to think what else. I'll keep you updated on what's going on. So, waiting for my ride. Hopefully my daughter's coming to pick me up. Otherwise, I'll crawl down the hill on the street, the surface part to the car. No, I won't do that. She offered to come and get me. I have two beautiful daughters. I'm so fortunate and lucky. Have a good day, people. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this. If you like the video, press like. If you have any comments, if there's a trail you want to see after I figure out what's going on with my knee, please leave it in the comments. Any suggestions, I'm open. Thanks again. Bye-bye.